Hello everyone, welcome to Terra Spatial. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set the transparency for a layer. So I'll be showing you for the vector layer that you can see over here. This is the geology layer and it is a vector layer. And you can see another layer, hillshade. This is a raster layer. So let me show you that layer. So this is my hillshade layer, raster. Now I'll be showing you how to set transparency layer for both of this raster and vector layer. So let us first proceed with the vector file. That is nothing but my geology file. So select the file and right click on it. You can go to the option properties. Here you can see a lot of options are available. We are going to go to the option display, and here you can see the option transparent. So here we are going to set the percentage for the transparent. If you set 100%, the layer won't be visible. Let me show you. So previously it was in 0. Now I'm setting it in 100%. Let me apply it and give OK. Now you can see the geology layer is not visible. So that is the maximum transparent of the layer. So we are not going to use the maximum transparent level. So I'm going to fit in 30% as the transparent percentage. Apply it and give OK. Now you can see that the transparent of the layer has been reduced, and you can clearly see the hill shape, and it looks visually it is looking very good, and for preparing maps it will be also really helpful. This visually appearing, so it looks to be good. Or if you want to set some more percentage, you can add 35, apply it, okay. Now you can see the result over here. So it will be really useful for mapping, map preparation, or you can prepare attractive maps using these layers. So let us set it to the normal level. So I am going to set it to 0%. So it will be back to the normal level. So now let me show you how to set it in the raster file. Let me bring the raster file on the top. You can see over here, this is my raster file. This is nothing but hillshade, which I have derived from this dem. So I have used a SRTM dem for this. Now just select the hillshade and now right click on it. Once again go to the option properties. Now you can see the option display. Select it. You can see some more additional things are available for the raster layer. You can set the brightness, contrast, transparency. So here we are going to give the transparency for this layers as 30, and let us see how it looks like. And you can see the geology file is visible over here because we have reduced the transparency of this hillshade file, and it is not visually great now. So let us give some more percentage. We increase the transparency to 40. Now you can see over here. So now it is looking better. So likewise you can set the transparency of the layer. So if you have any doubts in this, please do ask in the comment section. I will be answering to your questions. So thanks for watching Terra Spatial. Please do subscribe the channel. Goodbye everyone.